Do you want to buy a doorless microwave? Come on.
Sorry, I have to put on a jacket. It got cold.
Good thing we have this doorless microwave.
Wow.
Come take a look.
Come take a look. Here is our doorless microwave we'll be selling you. It's very pricey. You can put so many things inside of it. For instance, this Pepsi bottle inside of it. See? It rolls back.
That's just one of the things that it does. Another thing you can do is take out the bottle. Focus. You can find like a piece of paper randomly. You could like, you know, play basketball.
Who doesn't want that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also you can have it as a bin. See, it's organic. It has these things. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's go over here and see what else it does. You can also use it as a hat.
What else can we do with it?
We can play catch. Woo! Yay! Hippie! Get yours today.